My name is Antoine Level. I'm co-founder and CEO of Squadron System. Squadron System is developing this wonderful drone for Hexoplus, which is designed for action sports. So you have 6 propellers for better stability. You can remove easily the legs or the gimbals which carries the GoPro camera. So you can fit it easily into backpack. So you can carry it anywhere. You can use it anywhere simply through your smartphone application. So you use your smartphone application, iOS or Android, select some camera movement, launch it, put your smartphone into your pocket, and the drone will move around you and will film you so that you can get great videos without the need to pilot the drone. Squadron System was created 2 years ago in February 2014, and Sogilis was part of the co-founding team, and he's a shareholder and he's still a shareholder of Squadron System. So that's how we started to work with Sogilis and how Sogilis started to be involved into Squadron System. So the result of our collaboration with Sogilis and having Sogilis as a shareholder of the company, that the product you can see here is now real. So 2 years after we created the company and 18 months only after the Kickstarter, we actually delivered Hexoplus to all our customers, and we are the first Kickstarter project to deliver a drone project. We shipped to date more than 2,500 drones all across the world with very high quality level. So far we didn't get any bugs reported on software that we didn't know about, which is just testifying how good and how high the quality is about the product. Sogilis enabled us to work from the beginning on the first prototypes on the software side, so that we could validate what we're thinking about and validate that the technology we wanted to use were the right one to develop such a product. It was coming at a time where we had no employees as part of Squadron System. So we had directly a team of 4 people from Sogilis working days and nights on the prototypes of Hexoplus to enable to move faster and to have a first demos to potential customers in a few months. So we had different phases in our work with Sogilis. First phase was relying a lot on people from Sogilis in developing the product and developing the prototypes, up to the Kickstarter, where we raised 1.3 million USD, which validated the market. And this is where we started our own recruitment of software engineer. So Sogilis was involved in the recruitment process because those guys know how to recruit people and to recruit good people. And then we reached a phase where employees from Sogilis transferred their knowledge to the employees from a Squadron System. The relationship with Sogilis was very transparent. We had a very fluid communication process between Sogilis team and our team. Those guys were capable to raise hands in case they were facing challenges. They were very transparent in the way they were working, sharing their processes and knowledge how they work. And they were as well working on how to get and improve things on a daily basis. So we had stand-up meetings, and every 2 weeks we had meetings where we review what were the good points and the strengths of the team and the way they were working, but as well where we were looking at weaknesses and taking actions on improving things. As a shareholder, Sogilis knows how to take risk, and they have taken risk with us to be able to accelerate on the growth of the company. I think that Sogilis is one of the only company here on software development which can help you deliver the right quality at the right time with the level of functionalities you want. Sogilis is a company of passionate people, and they know how to transfer their passion. One of the unique things about Sogilis is that they are very focused on the end quality of the software. And this goes through processes they are using, coming from the aeronautics background they're having, in terms of development, in terms of being able to move fast on iteration. I do enjoy a lot working with Sogilis. I did a lot in the past, and I do as well today. And I will work again with Sogilis if I have the opportunity to. First, because people in Sogilis are fun to work with, and they are real human beings and people you you feel comfortable to work with. I would recommend working with Sogis to anyone who really is ambitious about their software project, to anyone who doesn't have the staff right now to be able to handle complex software development project, because they can rely on a passionate team and a team which can actually deliver results on a very short time frame. Not only can they help you on the software development, but Sogis can as well help you on other parts of the company, like a management system, recruiting your own team, processes, and transferring their knowledge to your team too, so that you can get a great team as well. Sogis is a team of passionate people who can help you deliver any dream you have. They are crazy people who can make anything happening.